Ho. I'm a student from Macquarie University. This video I'll talk about the biocultural values in environment management. In this video, I will introduce the meaning of biocultural value and then explain why it's important to environment management. After that, I will talk about the background of Mars Creek and describe the study site in Mars Creek. Finally, I will talk about how I record this video and what app did I use. So let's start it. Biocultural is a connection between individuals and the environment. Biocultural values means the important things of biological and cultural from Aboriginal perspective. In Australia, Aboriginal people have lived at least 65,000 years. It cannot be ignored the relationship between Aboriginal people and the environment. There are many heritage sites in Australia. This heritage can divide into two types: tangible and intangible. Tangible heritage include the Midden rock engraving, graves, scar trees, and intangible heritage includes spirits, songs, dance, stories, and knowledge. As both biological and cultural values are important elements for the environment, protect these biocultural values can let more people to understand the cultural history of Australia. Biocultural values also can remind us the relationship of human and the nature. Without the nature, human cannot survive. Now I will introduce Mars Creek. It locates in Macquarie University. It is 600 meters wide and 1.8 kilometers long. The function of this creek is to improve the water quality and reduce flooding, since Mars Creek can drain the water to the Nangle National Park. For your understanding about Mars Creek, I prepared some graphs. In Mars Creek, the main vegetation type is dry and wet sclerophyll forest, and the land near Mars Creek is mainly used for education and as parkland. In the registered Aboriginal heritage sites, you can see that there are some sites located near the Mars Creek. In this video, I will describe egg sites in Mars Creek. There are so many valuable species of plant vespa in Mars Creek. However, I can't list all of them out in this video, so I chose the main egg sites for today. The first one is our starting point, Site 1. The dominant species in this area is Personia nereus. This species is also commonly known as the narrow-leaved jimbun, which is a shrub native to New South Wales and Victoria in eastern Australia. Their food is edible when it falls to the ground. The next one is Site 2. You can find Eucalyptus pileus in this area. It is a common and dominant tree of the family Myrtaceae native to southeastern Australia. In Aboriginal biocultural values, its timber can be used as tools and weapons. Also, the flowers can attract bees, and their leaves can be used in medical field. After walking a few distance, you will avoid Site 3, and you can find another common species, which is Normandra longifolia. It is also known as basket grass, which is a rhizomatous herb in eastern Australia. The Aboriginal biocultural values are their leaves that can use in weaving, and their leaves are edible. After a long walk, there is a precious species here, Acacia longifolia. It is an acacia native to southeastern Australia. In subtropical region, they are used to prevent soil erosion. Its Aboriginal biocultural values are their seeds, which is an important source of crabs. In Site 5, you can find a waterfall there, where a place that contains some species as mentioned before. In the Aboriginal biocultural values, people can get the water easily here. Also, you will find some holes in a stone, where people used to collect and store water in the past. The next one is Site 6. This site is a little bit far from Site 5. In Site 6, you can find a new common species, which is Solanium auricula. It has an interesting name called kangaroo apple. It is a soft wooden shrub native in the east coast of Australia and New Zealand. Their fruit are edible when its color becomes orange-red. In Site 7, the function of this treehole is same with the stone in Site 5. People used to collect and store the rainwater. Finally, we arrive at the last page, Site 8. You can see a beautiful lake there. This lake is part of Marsh Creek. Many animals like birds and ducks like to come here to get water. When I am making this video, there is 2 apps help me a lot, and both of them are free. You can just download through the internet. The first one is Cyber Tracker. It is a tracking app that records any type of observation and data collection. When you see something special and want to record it, you can take a photo of it and it will help you save it. But sadly, Cyber Tracker only supports Android system. Another app is called Shortcut. It is a video editor app and it is very impressive because it's very user-friendly. You can just put your file into this app, then you can start creating your own video. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.